Good morning, my name is Suraj and today I am going to present our project SupplySenseAI. SupplySenseAI is a AI powered supply chain intelligence platform designed to help organizations accurately forecast material demand, manage inventory efficiently and optimize supplier relationship. Our goal is to reduce cost overrun, avoid material shortage and avoid decision making in large scale infrastructure and industrial project. Then here is my project and I use the technology used in it is we made front end, back end, and in front end we use React.js, Vite, Tailwind CSS, React Routing DOM, Chart.js, Axios, and in backend Node.js Express, MongoDB, Mongoose, JWT, and in machine learning to train the AI we use Python, Flask, script learning, Pandas, and NumPy. Then here is my home page. The concept of the scale, basically what happened in industry when industries make any product to store and manage it, they spend a lot of money over it. What our project do, it analyze the previous data and tell the company you make only those items that are in more demand. So let go first dive into the website. Get start. Full name, username, email, password, and confirm once again the password. There, Schengen. For login, email, and password. Schengen. Yeah, here is the dashboard. Currently we see that total material 0, low stock item 0, recent report 0, system is online, it's showing. To forecast, first we have to materials in my database. So first we make material, then supplier, then we see the report, how inventory work, how forecasting, each and everything. First we make the supplier. Add supplier. Let supplier is someone Ankit. Let's suppose is email ID ankit123@gmail.com. Phone number is optional and rating is 5, and now it is active. Okay, so active, create supplier. Let's suppose it supply gold. If you want to make one more supplier, then Atif is optional, red key 5 is stating, and it is now inactive, and create supplier. There are two supplier, one is active and one is inactive. Then you make the material, add material, material name is steel, unit in kg, current rest of 12, record as level 10, and let's suppose 120. Here we see the supplier Ankit, and create one more steel, then gold accessories, unit in kg, 12, 5, anything you can provide as per your requirement. And here is Atif, create material. Now in inventory you can see the two materials, okay, status are good, but here you see the forecasting is not mentioned because we didn't yet do the forecasting. To do forecasting, we have a sample data. Sample data is the data that so the previous reported data means how much the item sold in which year. Here we provide their support budget and generate. Here you can see the graph, demand forecasting chart. In inventory you see the forecasting demand is that much for the gold. Here the industries, the one who using the app, he can clearly see that the steel forecast the much, means that you have to make more steel based product in future, so you use only on the steel product, not on the different thing. On report you also can generate report. Here is only one user, so we for the use report, and one for forecasting report. We have done one forecasting, so on forecasting report also. Here you can also download it by clicking on the download. Suppliers are the two reports, we have made two. Material, we have made two. Inventory, it is updated by after the forecasting. And here in dashboard you can clearly see two material, two recent report, and each and every step. In setting, when you go, you can also change your profile picture and effect will be shown here. Also you can change password, and in preference you can change the theme light, dark. In language you can change it to Hindi to English. If you want to see the here in top bar, date and time format should be changed, you can manually here you can change. When you click it will reflected, and after save preference it get changed. Then keep it to reset it default. So these all the working project. If you talk about the coding part, let's deep dive into coding part. In backend for the email authentication and each and everything, there are lots of things that first we in config use that. Here we do the database connection, JWT to authenticate it, controller which control the flow of each and every middleware to authenticate. Here is the error handling code, routers, how we get connected one page to another page, services, and here is server data running when we do the want to run the server. If we talk about the front end, here the environment variable src. In pages you can see all the pages that we were rendering when the project run, and when we click on the each and every component like the dashboard, forecasting, home page, and each and every steps are here. If you talk about the how we train the our code, means machine learning, so we do the Python, and here is the Python code. If any individual wants to get this repo and run on their own platform, and let's suppose it's not running on her platform, but he wants to learn the flow of the all the things, he can go through the presentation part. Here we also maintain the how the project work, how the flow of the code, how the each and everything's working, by providing separately each and everything, how API documentation work, how ML code running, how the system architecture. And also if anyone wants to run and he doesn't have the CSV folder, means the data folder from which you want to forecast the everything, so he can use a template. And in readme I also mention each and the everything, then how can you upload in your system, how can you manage it, everything. And thank you for giving that much your precious time, and feel free to comment if you find any issue. Also go on the my GitHub repo and clone the repo and work on it. If you have any issue and if you think that there need to be improvement in anything, then please let me know, and do like and comment on this video. Thank you.